In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add embed in Framer. Adding an embed in Framer is a great way to bring in third-party content, think maps, videos, forms, or any custom widget without leaving your design workflow. Let's walk through it clearly and make sure it works well on your page. Start by opening your Framer project and navigating to the canvas where you want the embed to appear. Open the Insert menu and head to the Utility section. From there, choose the Embed component. Drop it onto your canvas or into the layer where you want it to live. If you don't see it right away, check the Utilities list. It's easy to miss among the other components. With the Embed layer selected, look to the right-hand Properties panel. First, confirm the positioning. You'll notice options for absolute and relative. Absolute positioning places the embed at a fixed spot on the canvas, which can be handy for very precise layouts. Switching to relative makes the embed flow with its parent container, which is usually better for responsive designs. If your layout needs to adapt across breakpoints, relative is often the safer choice. Next, adjust size. In the size section, set the width and height that make sense for your content. If you're embedding a video or a map, consider letting the width fill the container and setting a reasonable height so it doesn't overwhelm the page. You can use fixed pixels for predictability or percentage-based sizing for responsiveness. Now configure the content source. In the embed properties, you'll see two modes, HTML and URL. Choose HTML if you've been given an iframe or a small code snippet. Just paste it into the field exactly as provided. Choose URL if you have a share link from a supported service. Framer will attempt to auto-embed it for you. You can switch between HTML and URL at any time if you need to try a different method. For a finishing touch, open the border settings. Here you can add a subtle outline, adjust the radius for rounded corners, or remove the border entirely for a cleaner look. Styling is optional, but it helps the embed feel consistent with the rest of your design. When everything looks right, click Publish. Framer will build and push your changes live, so your embedded content appears on the Publish site. If an external service doesn't display, double-check that the provider allows embedding and that you've used the correct HTML or URL. That's it. Your embed is now integrated in Framer, sized, positioned, and ready for visitors.